Advisors, here's another shot of prospecting espresso to go with your coffee. So today, I wanted to ask if your business is stalled or boring. Now there is a difference, and an important difference while we're talking about that. Now stalled is when your business isn't actually growing. You're trying to figure something out to get it to go. You're trying to find new clients, new prospects, but whatever you're trying, it's not having a consistent result. Boring, on the other hand, is when your business is still growing at some rate, but you're just sort of checked out. It's not exciting for you anymore. And that's the difference. Now, have a sip and think about which one is your business currently. If this is you and you have stalled and you're willing to build out a pipeline, then realize that the cost of this is a combination of time, energy, and capital. Generally, the more capital that you make to invest in your business, the less time and energy you have to spend to figure things out and fine tune it. But make sure whoever you work with, they offer some sort of a guarantee so that your capital is actually put towards good use and your ROI is going to be above 100%. If you're bored, that's a different problem. You need to be working on scaling, especially if you're a one-person show. Otherwise, nothing will change. Right? So right now, a helpful exercise is to sit down, write down a list of things that you want to keep doing, and write down a list of things that you want to delegate. Optionally, if you really want, you can send me the list and I'm happy to take a look at it.